For my chemical reaction, I chose cooking food. And the first thing I cooked was eggs, and the second thing I cooked was pieces of chicken. So as we could tell from this example of the eggs cooking, we can see that the chemical change starts now because the color changes, which is a sign of chemical reaction. In order for a chemical change to occur, we know that the electrons in the orbitals need to change. And then also in this next video, we can hear that it is sizzling, which is also another sign that's letting us know that sound is coming out of the thing that we're testing, which shows a chemical reaction. And then for the chicken that I cooked, we could see also that there was a change in color, which shows a chemical change, and we can also see that bubbles are being formed, which is another sign of chemical changes. We can also tell that there is a chemical reaction due to sound coming off of the food. To conclude this experiment of testing a chemical reaction from these before and after photos, we can tell that A, from the before to the after, they all changed colors, and B, they changed forms and are irreversible.
My name is Jack Mondello, and I'm displaying the chemical reaction of the tip of a blade burning and creating soot when placed in a flame. In this chemical reaction, I'm displaying the burning of a tip of a blade in a flame. Here I'm holding the blade in the flame for roughly 10 seconds to allow for the chemical reaction to occur. After pulling the blade away from the flame, we can see that the tip of it has darkened and turned black in color. Now I am repeating the process with the other side of the blade. After holding both sides of the blade in the flame for about 10 seconds each time, we can see that it has turned black and burnt. The change in color is one sign of a chemical change, and it is an irreversible change as well because the composition of the blade has changed through the burning process. In the previous clip, we can see that the result of the experiment is that the blade turns black. The scientific explanation behind this is that tiny carbon particles formed as a result of the incomplete combustion of paraffin, which is from the candle, gradually covered the blade, which caused the black color.